20% as stress. Next. So who am I? Very important question. In JJ Hospital, I had seen patients of accident cases. Somebody had lost his hand. He said, "Doctor, please save my hand." Somebody say, "Doctor, please save my legs." "Doctor, I am bleeding." So every part I. But who was that inside the person who was saying this I? Next. In American study, they found that if you burn this human body and study all the chemicals and go and sell these chemicals in market, the cost comes 110 rupees. This is few years back. Now the prices have increased, dollar has gone up to 500 rupees, but not more than that. If there is an accident of Mercedes car costing 80 lakh rupees, who will go and save? The driver whose cost is 500 rupees, body 500 rupees, chemical body, or the Mercedes body of 80 lakh rupees? Today there are some who will save the car, but generally people will save the driver. Next. What is it? So we come down to one basic philosophy. You take Hinduism, you take Buddhism, you take Jesus Christ. Christ said, "What profits a man if he loses his soul?" In hypnosis, we talk of a concept called as the vital force or the living force. Living force is the same. My photograph of childhood is very different from what I am today. And I will be very different when I am at this stage. But somewhere I perceive it is me. It is me throughout which is same. That is the vital force. Next. Patients who are dying in the bed, their relatives tell them, "पिताजी, हिंदी function ना, हमें छोड़ के मत जाइए." Pidaji says, "I can't move my hand. Where I'll go?" And then, after few minutes, what they say? "Pidaji चले गए." He is there only, but Pidaji चले गए. So who has gone and where has he gone? Next. So we talk about this vital force very commonly, but if you dwell on this and think about it, it will create a new awareness in your life. So we are basically like this car. It's a new brand car. If this car is not working, you check all the parts. You can't find the answer. The answer is there is no driver inside. And you are repairing the car. So the driver leaves, the car can't move. So amongst all of us, there is something which is more than this chemical body. It's beyond physics, chemistry and biology. Next. Next. So on this background, the human beings are beyond just physics, chemistry, biology and technology. We will start the escape formula. E is for give up unreasonable expectations. S for success. C for comparisons. A for appreciate. P for principle life. E for endurance. Next. Starting with the first thing. Give up unreasonable expectations. 5 things in your life which will always pinch a person: pain, pleasures, people, position, possessions. How much ever you don't have and how much ever you have, these things will always keep pinching you for want of more. We should be very clear in life, next, about the things that we use in life. What is its purpose? If our expectations from it are wrong, we will eventually land up in stress and unhappiness. What is happiness? If I ask here, what is that one thing in life that all of us want? It will be happiness. You are with me or I am on a different track? Happiness. Somebody wants it through degree, somebody wants it through a girlfriend, somebody wants it through a bike or mobile phone, but everyone wants happiness, right? So what is happiness? See this photograph. Are they happy? See their eyes, their smile, in their face. So happiness is a state of mind and a state of being. Next. Contrast. High-fi clothes, high-fi house, garden outside, but are they looking happy? Happiness is not material acquisitions or social prestige. Suppose for this fish thinks that I am bored. I am bored to be in water. I want to have enjoyment. He comes out of water and He tries cat, he tries burgers, he has pornographic magazines, he has some cigarettes, bottle lying there. He tries everything. How long can he be happy? Not long. He will be only happy when he goes back into his constitutional position, which is to be in water. Next. Many people, many students from here, will be planning to go to Hong Kong and China, Japan and USA for further studies, believing that happiness is there. You may not be aware of statistics. Go to WHO stats. Suicides are more in Japan than India. Have you heard about this? Suicide rates are higher in Japan and America than in India. Who is she? Marilyn Monroe. Everything that a girl today will want to have, she had it. Name, money, prestige, power. Fans used to write letters in blood. You know how she died? She did suicide. Next. This is a common scene. I have patients who say, डॉक्टर सुबह उठते हैं फ्रेश लगता नहीं, कितना दिन आराम करे उत्साह नहीं आता, फ्रेश लगता ही नहीं. Dunlop की आती है, TV, there is water cooler, hi-fi gadget, everything is there, but something is missing which is not giving this rejuvenation. We have a disease called as chronic fatigue syndrome. Patient chronically will always he feels tired and fatigued. So search for happiness is the right thing, but searching in the wrong place will lead to next unhappiness and frustration. This fall from happiness, people believe that this will give me happiness, often comes from the advertisement industry. Like you may have seen this ad of Fair and Lovely. Billions of rupees Fair and Lovely company has earned. It has made a concept in females or girls that if you are not fair, you are not good looking. This is what girls believe. And they put tons and tons of the cream on their face. But you tell me in your life, it's a serious matter. I have case of depression. And the only reason the life depressed is because in America, if you don't have a boyfriend, you are rated low in the colleges. They get depressed. In India, different marriages. But tell me a reality. Show me a single girl in India, single girl who has become fair after Fair and Lovely. But the industry makes you think so, and you make a false belief that if I am not good at it. Second example, X spray. You spray and 10 girls come behind you. Those who have one girlfriend know about it. 10 girlfriends will suicide case. Okay. The next is, I am skipping a lot of slides because less time. I have taken this workshop for 66 hours, 1.5 into 4 parts. Today is 6 hours into 1 hour. Okay, next. Okay. So first, expect right things from right place. Keep your perspective right. I am buying a new phone. What is this perspective? I am doing the exam. What is the perspective? Don't go into false expectations. Next is success definition. All of us next are living in our own success definitions. You think about it. Escape from the right down, it will help you for your life. Screen the life and success program. We have made our own success circles. For example, I am a doctor. I have a hospital, I have a lot of patients. If I believe that, if I see 100 patients in a day, then it's nice. Then even if I see 70, I will not be happy. Right? 70 is a good number. There was a case in IIT Powai where a student came second in his class. He attempted suicide. Because of poor quality in India, the rope broke down and he survived. But he tried suicide. Why? Because he came second. Next. So success, if you read our Vedic principles, success is not in the trophy won, but it is in the race run. In our Veda, the story comes where the Lord praises the trees in Vrindavan. He says, how great are these trees? They are standing in the sun, rain and winter and continuously giving shade to others. So that is success in view of God. Jatayu example.